In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Kapwing. If you've been looking to polish up a video clip and make sure it begins and ends just the way you like, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of trimming a video using Kapwing, which is a user-friendly online platform designed for easily editing multimedia content. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your project on Kapwing. If you haven't yet started a project, simply upload your video file to get started. Once your video is open on the platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see a timeline at the bottom of your screen where the video is represented, ensuring that you have clear access to the entire duration of your clip. Now, to trim the video, you'll focus on the ends of the timeline. Hover over the start or end of your video clip, and you'll notice a small bar that you can click and drag. By clicking and dragging this bar, you can adjust where the video begins and ends. This direct manipulation makes it extremely intuitive to cut out any unwanted footage from the beginning or the end. So, let's say your video has a few seconds of unnecessary content at the beginning. You can simply click on the bar at the start and drag it inward until you reach the exact point where you want your video to begin. The same process applies for the end of your video. If you have excess footage that you want to trim off the tail end, just drag the end bar back to where you want the video to conclude. Take your time with this process, paying close attention to which parts of your video you want to keep and which ones you wish to eliminate. As you make your adjustments, Kapwing makes it easy to preview your trimmed video to ensure you're achieving the desired effect. Simply play back your video after you've made your cuts to verify that everything flows as intended. If at any point you wish to refine the trims a bit more, you can easily readjust by dragging the start or end points again. Remember, trimming is all about precision, and Kapwing's simple controls are designed to give you as much freedom as possible. This means you can experiment with different start and end points until you're completely satisfied with the result. And there you have it, a perfectly trimmed video ready to share with your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're feeling more confident about how to use Kapwing for your video editing needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!